YouTube, what's good? It's your boy King Sledgexl. You already know it's my channel, Howto. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, today I've got yet another unboxing, and as you can see, this is the Converse, play Garcon, Comme de Garcon. So I got these a while back, and yeah, let me put it this way so you could. But without further ado, let's get into it. But before that, I kept some track pants. Let's check these guys out. These came from ADIDAS. I ordered them from ADIDAS.com, and this colorway is a shift orange. So I got a pretty good deal. I think it was on sale for $38, both the top and the bottoms. And this is a size large. If I don't save money, I don't like to cop. So that is the pants right there, and this is the jacket. Okay, size large as well. I remember when I copped the track jackets for the Pharrell, the human race edition. It was too large, so I had to downsize that one to a medium. But in these guys, I do a size large, and they fit perfectly. Yeah. All right, let's move on to today's grand finale. I have wanted these guys for the longest time, and I wish they were on sale. These guys are for like $135, and I feel like they're a little bit overpriced, But here, all right, let's bring them out. I like the box. The box is really clean, For all those of you who doesn't know, Comme de Garcon is a Japanese designer, and they sell clothing line, and they did a collaboration with Converse and came out with these beautiful shoes. So Converse for me tend to run a little bit large. This is a size 9. I normally wear size 10, but because they run large, if you want to buy, you might want to downsize half a size or one full size, and you should be good to go. So yeah, play, and $135. That's nothing to it. I copped these from Nordstrom. I think there's plenty on Nordstrom.com, or if you go to your local outlet, you should be able to find one of these. And this is the insole right there. It says it was made in Vietnam. So there you go. Well, without further ado, I'd like to jump into a quick on-feet action, show you a little bit of how it looks on feet. I also gonna unbox the black version, because I copped the black version as well. I wanted to own one of these, and those two colors were like something that I had to get. Looking into the few details, it has that hat with the eye look in red and black and white. Bottoms is your regular Converse bottoms, and then at the heels it's got this black, like I would say a bridge or whatever to it, and it says Converse right here. The toe box area is just so that it looks polished, you know what I mean? Like it looks glossy, I think, and that gives it a little bit pop than the regular Converse shoes, and pretty much that's it. That is the reason why they are charging $135 for these. But on the regular Converse, I think the 80s high, these guys are like $80, $75 or $80. But that's just it. All right, stay tuned for the on-feet, and look out for the black version of these shoes. Until I see you next in my other videos, peace and out.
Where I'm from, every night it gets colder. Mom was never sober. Wishing I was over, wishing I was older. Then I went to a foster home, and they told us everything was gonna be alright, and they showed us how to shine bright, sparkle like the sunlight. But I knew deep inside I was thug life. Ain't nothing changed but the way I stay humble. I ain't never had none, I was from the gutter. Me and my little sister had to struggle hard. No dad, big brother had to do his part. I swear to God that I love my family to the death. I came from nothing, so I know when there's nothing left. Last breath, stumble to my last steps. I'ma be right there when there's no cash left. Old shoes, holes in my clothes, thugging. Ain't nobody bought me shit, so I started hustling.
I used to be used to. I used to grind in the dirt. I used to cry till it hurt. I will look up to the heavens when it's my time gonna come. I used to be used to, but I never got used to being what I used to be. Yeah. Said I used to be used to, but I never got used to being what I used to.
Yeah. Same story, living in the projects. Everybody got more, but we got less. Christmas round the corner, we had our hopes up. Waiting by the door, Santa never showed up. Salvation Army, I've been to co-ops. Soup kitchen had me eating on my old block. Nowadays I be puffing on that good kill, but I remember going shopping at the Goodwill. I can tell you don't know about that black spoon till you find it somewhere in your bathroom. Grab the damn broom, never had a vacuum. Now the street sweeper rolling with my main goons. Look, every day it gets worse. Talking about a life when you're living with a curse. First, I'ma tell 'em what it's worth. Everybody living just to make it to the dirt.